already know. Me love send it up in you. Who's panic a key like that me know. You are my one and only, you know.
Yes, my viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa from here, the Vines, you know how it is. Popcaan drop a tune called Yo, Victoria's Secret. And me I tell us, say, yo, anytime Papi drop them tune, ya, you know that the whole place mash up. But viewer, subscriber, touch some little more.
Ask anyone pan the avenue. Oh, if I know you, then I know nobody. Give me cocky, make your go funny. Don't come on me yard in a no baggy.
Buckclot, I make you start so hard, dog. Yo, viewer, subscriber, dancehall nice again. Me say Papi back, and then back in the bedroom and things are mash up. But here before we go down in it, we're gonna run the intro, so walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Say nothing more, your boy one. Viewer, subscriber. Before we go down in it, we are gonna talk a little. Me love fi know say yo Popcaan back. Me love fi know say yo after the morning a shaggle and everything like that and Papi find back himself. Me love fi know say yo Popcaan back to him true elements. And right now me say respect for that, you see me. But we are gonna go down in a hit. And here when me a talk about Papi start hard. Yo, make we start off with the man I say. A man say yo, a man no known infomania, but when it come to your kind of pum pum, him love fi beat that up. A man say, yo, pose on the thing like a domino. 12 o'clock, a 666, a man a talk about. Here and now, the man say, when you come on me yard, I know you and Victoria come. Victoria forget missing. The viewer subscriber. When Popcaan reach them a element, yeah, you know they match a fire like a dragon.
No sickness turn on your body. Victoria, secret missing. Victoria, secret missing. Victoria, secret missing. Tell your body good and your pum pum little.
Viewer subscribe. Make we go down in night. Big old man thing. A girl ever come on your ends come check you. And when she come in at your house and take off her jacket, she no got nothing else underneath that. I just pee your body. And them thing the Papi a make you know. Papi gone 50 grey. You get me? So Papi a make you know say yo, when she come at the yard and him squeeze it up, Victoria missing. And a them thing them a make you know say yo, him dep on him freaky side. Hear me now. Pre this. A man say him not talk about no girl with no swimming pool underneath them, you know. A man say him not talk about no girl with no river underneath them, you know. A man say him not talk about no girl with no water pan underneath them, you know. A man say, yo, let me tell you, pum pum tight and liquor. See? A man a make you know say, yo, when him in a that and him come fi thump that up. Him a thump that up hard. Him a beat that hard.
Baby, bubble your body, your love fi beard and your arm now explode like a grenade. She walks up it, pretty pussy, she no love fi shave and he sitting down, ever send no man go great. She tell me she love when me put it in.
Viewer subscriber. Right, that's a Papi already know give the 100% kind of girl them him deal with. Him already done tell us a Victoria's Secret kind of girl them him deal with. But the man I say, yeah, me know when you come on me yard, me know say you're nice and clean. The man say I'm pit now lick like a hand grenade. Cause you know sometimes some girl come check you and them dirty no blood clot. You have to send them back home. But man I make you know up on a different level say, yeah, me know. Him doing the girl with the shaving thing, with the little bump thing. The man say, yo, a waxing thing have nice and clean and pretty and make it look what?
Inside, right funny dick for me on the seaside. She want explore, she no care about pride. Say she want me fi continue on the hillside. Me say
viewer subscriber, more no pray where Papi I say right there so. Papi say yo, as much as she pretty and sexy, she still got that freaky thing. You see me? The man I make you know say yo, if up on the beach, him can't beat it. If I up on the hills, him can't beat it. If I in the G-Wagon, him a beat it. If I on the Spider, him can't beat it. Cause him gyal a gyal we give it. Anyway, Him a gal will rate him so much that anywhere him want it, him can take it. Yo, are your boy Djstullaa. We say X amount of shout out. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. But we say like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We now say nothing more. Are your boy Djstullaa one.